Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1980 Jeep J10 Stepside. This casting is by Matchbox and is new for 2026. It's from their main line, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the 1980 Jeep J10 Stepside out of its box. First thing first, the paint looks really good. It looks like a metallic red paint with a lot of stickers, or I don't know if it's not stickers on the actual car, might have been paint, but you see a lot of stickers here, and it says Honcho or Honko. I might be butchering it, I'm not sure. J10 on the side, and I am trying to see what it is. I can't really read it. So moving to the front. In the front it's all chrome bumper, chrome grille, chrome headlamp, so no painted details here. Well, we expect more from Matchbox now because they do such a good job, so slightly disappointed, I will say. Still a new casting, good casting. Hood again is the classic Jeep hood. You got both the mirrors, both the windshield wipers, so front end looks good apart from those painted headlamps. Now coming back to the driver side. On the driver side you've got some nice details, as we said, the multi-tone paint, I would say. Wheels seen on some different Matchbox SUVs and looks good here. The bed, it's very different because it's from 1980s, I guess. Nowadays you just have flat bed. This one has all the design, fender and step in the side. I think that's why it's called step side, maybe. Some details here with the door handle and the keyhole. You have got a glass, no glass in the window though, and you can see the interior, which is finished in black. This I think was supposed to be gray or chrome, but they have done here white. I haven't seen this car in real life, so I can't compare a lot, but yeah, still good details here. White wheels actually look good. I'm glad they didn't do chrome. White actually looks good here. Now moving to the back. On the back you can again see the tail lamp is present there, but it's not painted, and even the tailgate. It has some details, but then not a lot of painted details on it. Chrome bumper, step in the bumper. This is how it looks from the top. So you got the bed, which is finished in body color and some part finished in black. Passenger side almost looks identical. Not a lot of difference here. This is how it looks from the bottom. Plastic base, chrome finish. So overall, well, apart from those painted headlamp and missing headlamp and tail lamp detail, it still is a very good looking casting for a main line, and I think if you can add those, it will look even better. And being a new casting, I'm always glad Matchbox is bringing more vehicles into the mainline lineup. I like these, and will obviously buy if they bring on more older Jeeps. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.